What's up, guys? It's your boy Jamar, and today I am going to be showing you guys a special Vlogmas episode. So today it is Vlogmas number 5, aka December 5th, 2020, and we are going to be making something really cool. Alright, guys, so I've been having a hard time making these Vlogmas episodes, and um, part of that reason is I haven't really been able to find like stuff that I can do that's really Christmassy and stuff like that during these COVID times, because like typically I'm the type where I would take you guys out with me, go somewhere that's Christmassy and show you guys that and some activities that you can do with friends while you're out. However, being stuck or kind of limited in the sense and having to stay inside, I haven't really been able to do the things that I would usually do. So I've been forced to go outside of the box and do some other things that I would find interesting still, but like things that I can stay home and do with other people or do by myself. So I chose a gingerbread house. So today we're gonna make a gingerbread house together, guys. All right, so I'm gonna leave you guys right here in 1 second. So what we're gonna do is put this wide angle lens on there, and we are going to build this gingerbread house together. Alright, guys, so this is going to be fun. Hopefully you guys can see me okay and see the gingerbread house. Let me turn that upwards a little bit. What do you guys think? Is that an okay view? I think so. Maybe like this when I step back, it's not bad. Alright, guys, so we're going to make this gingerbread house. I haven't made one of these in a long time, but I'm really excited. And also, before we start that, let me know if you guys have these in the country that you live in. One of my favorite sweets. Secondly, this is a nice British treat. One of the few things that I can get over here while I'm in Canada. And these are Crawford like chocolate bourbon creams. And they're basically like chocolate biscuits with chocolate cream in the middle of them. They're so nice. But as I was telling you guys in some previous episodes of my vlogs, I like to send my friends some packages and stuff like that. So I just picked up one for myself. I picked up one for my friend Laura and one for my friend Raven. And I'm going to mail them one each. And yeah, and just send them a little postcard. It's just a little nice gesture to make, guys. These cost like $1 and they taste amazing, and it's from England, so it's like I'm sharing a piece of my personal culture, background, and history with them to try. And I love stuff like that. Like, you know, if they sent me something from their culture or their history, then for me, like, I would love that. Like, that's interesting to me, you know? So anyways, that's what I like to do. I like to share that stuff with my friends. And so I got one for them. And yeah, so you guys will see this in the background just because it's just there because I need to pack them. And this is my little office slash work desk. So yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna get cracking. We're gonna start making these this gingerbread house. I haven't made one in a long time, so I'm kind of excited to do this because I haven't done this since I was a kid, so this should be really interesting to see how this turns out. But I think I'm going to try and open this fairly neatly because I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that this box is supposed to turn into like some sort of platform to like keep the gingerbread house on, I think. I don't know, that's my thought process. I think it folds down into like the base. I'm literally using this tape cutter to open this up because I don't know where my box cutter is. Nice, so we got some of these little like, I think these are like peppermints or something like that. Spearmints, peppermint. I don't know. I don't know what these are. These are some sort of either gumballs or like jawbreaker type candies. little sugar candies. And more little sugar candies and decorations. Now personally, I'm not a fan of these, like these kind of candies and stuff. So you probably won't see me put too much of these on except for looks. I would have preferred to buy more candy and stuff, but my mom was with me. I took her to the store with me and she was feeling pretty tired, so I didn't want to keep her waiting while I look around for certain things. But yeah, we're gonna start, and I'll put on some of these Swedish berries, which is what I picked up to put on there because I like these. You guys can go and pick up whatever kind of things you like and put those on. But yeah, we got a nice big pack of royal icing. Easy build, royal icing. And then we've got the gingerbread stuff in here. It's in there pretty good. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to. Oh, okay. Boom. So yeah, guys. Personally, I got the one that's already pre-built, but there was one that you don't need to build. Or sorry, there was one that you can build, but I just personally wanted to get the one that was already built and just decorate it. So yeah, guys, I'll leave this like that so you guys can see that. Cool. And then we're gonna open this up. It smells good. That's a good sign. Oh, also, so you know, guys, I should have picked some up. I'll probably pick it up for another vlog, but just so you guys know, there's also little like gingerbread men cookies that you can get and decorate as well with your friends. So if you want something that's not as big as this, something a little small and more individual for you and some friends that you may have over or whatever during these times, you can pick up a box of like a bunch of little like gingerbread cookie men, and you can decorate those. Yeah, let me show you guys this. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, and we're gonna start decorating this. Throw this in the garbage. All right. Just so you know, guys, my hands are clean. I did go wash my hands, just in case you're wondering. I washed my hands just before we started. Okay. So, first is first. First thing first. We gotta get this cut. Sorry about that, guys. So we got scissors here. We're just gonna cut the tip off the nozzle. Boom, done. Alright, so you guys just grab some scissors and you cut the tip off this nozzle so that the icing can come out. So that's just what I've done. And so we're gonna figure out how we're gonna design this right now. So for me personally, I'm not a huge fan of these, but I do like the way they look on gingerbread houses. I do think that gingerbread houses are not complete without these. But a good replacement for these, I forget the name of them, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, there's these like hard candies and there's gummy versions of them, and they taste like like a milky strawberry flavor. They got peach, they got cherry, and a bunch of other flavors. It's a hard candy. It looks similar to this in terms of like swirls and stuff. It's more of like an oval shape. I forget the name. If I can find it online, I'll insert a picture here right now. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. There's no endorsement, no sort of affiliation or partnership. I just think that they taste really good, and I would probably prefer those instead of these. But yeah, I'm just trying to give you guys like a good substitute if you don't like mints like me. Like, I don't really eat mints. But yeah. So we'll take one of these. open that up, and I think we're going to try and stick this. Try and stick this on the roof there. Boom. Just like that. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I think so. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep myself in the picture but also still show you guys what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can see everything okay. And then what I'm gonna do, I want to make the whole roof out of Swedish berries. So these are Swedish berries. If you guys haven't seen these before, they're just little like gummy candies and they taste really, really good. Guys, I think I need to cut this bigger. Anyway, so all I did was just cut the nozzle a bit bigger so I can get a bit more of a good flow coming out with the icing. I'm just going to continue to layer this up. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me work on it like this maybe. This is going to be a bit time consuming, but this is going to be sick. This is definitely a fun activity for you guys to do like at home during COVID and stuff. If you got family, friends, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, and you guys want something to do, definitely pick up a gingerbread house. Boom. Now I know they're like sliding a little bit, so hopefully they stay. I'm trying to be like sparing with this icing because I don't really fully have this all mapped out in my head. I'm just kind of going with the flow right now. Ooh, feisty. Oh, you see what I mean, guys? I don't think I put enough on this one though, to be fair. This was the first one. Let me know guys, like if you guys have done this recently with someone, or if you guys are gonna do this now that you've seen this video. Actually, I'd love to hear comments from you guys if you guys are planning to do this now that you've watched this video. Little things like that, guys, like it means a lot. Like definitely shows support on my channel, you know, like I make a lot of effort doing these videos. It takes a lot of my time as well. Like say I shoot like half an hour to an hour of footage, that usually equates to me editing for like 3 to 4 hours. So even when I'm done filming, that's not the end of it. Like, it doesn't just get uploaded straight to YouTube, guys. Like, I spend time to do my edits. You know, I try my best to make content that's decent for you guys. I'm always trying to improve and add more stuff. Learn from my mistakes. And hey, like, I'm human. Sometimes I'm too tired. Sometimes the edit doesn't come out as perfect as I wanted it to. And you know, as a content creator, we do get hard on ourselves sometimes. We do give ourselves deadlines and stuff like that. So, I mean, sometimes we just got to upload what we got. Trying my best here, guys. If you guys do this after seeing this video, one thing I would love is for you guys to send me like pictures or videos of what you made. Okay guys, so this is my gingerbread house. Wow. I like to keep mine plain and simple because I like to eat this without all the icing and stuff. But yeah, you guys can grab some more candies, fill it all up, decorate the border, add whatever you guys want to add to it, and make a gingerbread house for Christmas. Or even just as an activity leading up to Christmas. But yeah, this is mine. Now I'm gonna go smash it up and eat it. Thanks for watching. Remember to wander, connect, innovate, inspire. Boom.